Welcome to InvestorWeb, your trusted guide to elevating your financial game. Here at InvestorWeb, we're dedicated to demystifying the complex world of investments, offering you expert advice and actionable strategies that can truly transform your financial outlook. With a wealth of experience and a keen eye for what really works, we guide you through the intricacies of growing your wealth effectively. Today, we dive into 10 strategic ways to increase your income this year. Stay tuned. First up, upskilling yourself. In an ever-evolving job market, the one constant is the demand for skilled professionals. Whether you're looking to climb the career ladder or pivot to a new industry, enhancing your skill set is crucial. Consider this. Most top-tier professionals dedicate at least a few hours each week to learning something new. Online courses offer a flexible way to acquire new skills or deepen existing ones. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy provide courses in everything from data science to digital marketing, often developed by leading experts in the field. Additionally, professional certifications can not only boost your knowledge but also significantly enhance your resume. Workshops and seminars, on the other hand, offer a more hands-on approach, perfect for those who learn better in interactive settings. They also provide a golden opportunity to network with peers and industry leaders. Invest in your skills and watch opportunities unfold. Next, let's talk about freelancing. In today's dynamic work landscape, freelancing emerges as a brilliant way to supplement your income. It's not just about having multiple skills, it's about monetizing them effectively. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or consultant, the freelance market has space for you. Starting is simpler than you might think. Begin by identifying your key skills and how they align with market needs. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide a fantastic starting point. They allow you to set up a profile, showcase your work, and connect with potential clients from all around the globe. Marketing yourself is crucial. Develop a strong personal brand, maintain a professional online presence, and remember, your portfolio is your business card in the digital world. Use social media to your advantage. Platforms like LinkedIn can be particularly effective for reaching out to professionals and businesses that might require your services. Freelancing offers flexibility and a potential income boost. Turning now to stock investments. When stepping into the vibrant world of stock market investing, one is essentially buying a piece of a company. Over time, as the company grows, so does the value of your shares, potentially leading to significant profits. Now, let's break this down. Stocks represent equity ownership in companies. When you buy stocks, you're hoping the company will increase in value and profitability. As profits rise, so too might your investment. However, it's not just about picking any stock. The art of diversification cannot be overstated. By spreading investments across various sectors, one can mitigate risks and increase the chance of catching the next big growth wave. Moreover, investing in stocks isn't just a short sprint, it's more of a marathon. Long-term investments have historically shown to outperform short-term holdings, with the market tending to reward those who stay invested through ups and downs. Stocks can be a powerful tool for wealth generation. Fourth, consider real estate. Diving into the world of real estate investing opens up a plethora of opportunities for generating income. Let's start with the basics. One of the most common approaches is through rental properties. This involves purchasing a property and renting it out to tenants. Over time, not only do you earn rental income, but you also stand to gain from the appreciation of the property's value. Another intriguing option is investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These trusts allow you to invest in real estate without the need to directly buy or manage the property. REITs are particularly appealing because they offer high dividend yields and provide a way to invest in high-value real estate projects. Whether it's through direct ownership or REITs, real estate investing requires careful consideration of location, market trends, and your own financial capacity. However, when navigated wisely, it can lead to significant financial benefits. Remember, real estate can provide both steady income and capital appreciation. Next, starting a side business. In an era where financial independence is key, turning a hobby or skill into a side business isn't just a dream, it's a viable path to increasing your income. Imagine transforming your weekend baking hobby into a boutique patisserie, or your knack for graphic design into a freelance branding service. The possibilities are as vast as your passions. The initial steps involve market research, understanding your target audience, and setting up a basic business plan. Yes, the beginning can be daunting, but remember, every successful entrepreneur started with a single step. It's about small, steady actions. Create a brand, launch a simple website, and use social media to spread the word. However, beware of potential pitfalls such as underestimating the time commitment or over-investing in untested ideas. Learn from the success stories of those who started small and scaled wisely, leveraging their networks and community feedback. Your passion could be your next income stream. Let's explore writing and publishing. In the digital age, your flair for words isn't just a hobby, it's a potential income stream. Imagine crafting ebooks, insightful blogs, or informative articles. Each piece of content can act as a small but steady revenue source. Now, how exactly does one turn prose into profit? Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to publish ebooks at no upfront cost and reach millions globally. For bloggers, websites such as WordPress and Medium offer monetization options like ads and memberships. They handle the technical side, letting you focus purely on content creation. But it's not just about putting words on a page, it's about engaging an audience. The more readers you attract, the more opportunities you have to monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and even direct sales of digital products or services. Remember, the key is consistency and quality. Regularly updating your blog or releasing ebooks can help establish you as an authority in your niche. Your words could open new revenue channels. Consider creating online courses. In the digital age, knowledge is not just power, it's also potentially profitable. By packaging your expertise into online courses, you can reach a global audience eager to learn. This isn't just about making money, it's about expanding your influence and sharing valuable skills. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Coursera provide the tools you need to launch these courses effectively. They handle the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on content creation. When designing your course, remember that engagement is key. Use interactive elements such as quizzes, assignments, and discussion boards to keep your students involved and invested. Pricing your courses is an art in itself. Competitive pricing can attract more students, but don't undervalue your knowledge. Often, offering tiered pricing models can accommodate different learning needs and budgets, making your courses accessible to a wider audience. Lastly, promotion is crucial. Utilize social media, content marketing, and email campaigns to draw attention to your courses. Teach what you know, earn what you need. Moving on to affiliate marketing. This approach to earning might just be the low-hanging fruit you've been overlooking. Picture this: you promote products or services for a company, and in return you receive a commission for each sale made through your referral. It's quite straightforward, yet its potential is immense. To get started, choose a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. This ensures your promotions feel authentic and resonate with your audience. Next, partner with businesses that offer affiliate programs. These can range from large e-commerce platforms to specialized boutique stores. Now let's talk strategy. Successful affiliate marketers often leverage blogs, social media platforms, or even YouTube channels to reach their audience. For instance, a tech enthusiast can create detailed reviews on gadgets and provide affiliate links to purchase them. Remember, the more value you provide to your audience, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations. Affiliate marketing can be a subtle yet powerful income enhancer. Next, optimizing your taxes. When it comes to enhancing your financial health, understanding and optimizing your tax situation is key. One effective strategy is maximizing your use of deductions. Whether it's charitable donations, home office expenses, or education costs, ensure you're claiming all the deductions you're entitled to. This reduces your taxable income, thereby decreasing the amount of tax you owe. Another powerful tool in your arsenal is tax credits, which directly reduce your tax bill. From energy-efficient home upgrades to certain types of investments, tax credits can offer substantial savings. It's like putting money directly back into your pocket. However, the world of taxes can be labyrinthine, with new regulations appearing each year. That's why consulting with a tax professional isn't just advisable, it's a strategic move. These experts stay abreast of all changes and can provide personalized advice tailored to your financial situation. Smart tax planning can save you money, increasing your net income. Finally, active networking. A phrase that might seem a bit demanding, but let's unpack its immense value. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. It's about cultivating meaningful relationships that could open doors to new opportunities and consequently increase your income. To network effectively, start by identifying your goals. Are you looking to find a mentor, gain insights into another industry, or perhaps secure new clients? Once clear on your objectives, tailor your approach to networking events and online platforms accordingly. In person, always be approachable and genuine. Remember, a firm handshake and direct eye contact can make a memorable first impression. Online, engage actively, comment on posts, share relevant articles, and initiate conversations. This keeps you visible and relevant in your professional circles. Also, don't underestimate the power of follow-ups. A simple thank you message after a meeting can set the stage for a lasting professional relationship. Remember, your network is your net worth. By investing time in building strong connections, you're essentially paving the way for financial growth and opportunities. To recap, we've explored 10 powerful strategies to boost your income this year, from upskilling yourself to diving into real estate ventures, and from starting a side business to optimizing your taxes. We've covered a broad spectrum to ensure there's something for everyone. Whether you choose to write and publish your own book or delve into affiliate marketing, the key is to start somewhere. Apply these strategies and share your journey towards financial growth. Thank you for watching Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Here's to a prosperous year ahead.